Hello friends, I am Sagar Patel from LG Electronics India Private Limited. Here you can see our most premium product and all-in-one solution for education and conference room solution for industries. Here we can see the interactive touch display of 65 inches. There are three sizes available for this board, 65 inch, 75 inch and 86 inch. As you can see the home page of Android box. Here the ScreenShare Pro, Note, Finder, Browser, Input Source, Keeper and Settings as well as Time. These all features are shown on the home page. With this you have two another options for sidebars. There are some shortcuts are available on the home page of the Android box, and also we have used USB pen drive to access external storage. There is a 16 GB internal storage for this board and 3 GB RAM are available, and basically this board is on Android version 8.0. So let's have a look. First of all, we are operating board. This is the board application, and as I have inserted the USB pen drive, so this notification is shown. This is the whiteboard, and not just a whiteboard, but you can use many options like different colors background for the whiteboard. You can use any color like pink, blue, black, whatever you want. There are textures also available to ready-made to use this board, and you can use custom textures also. So let's begin with the default setting. So this is the whiteboard, and there are many options are available in the bottom of the board. Like arrow keys for selection, pen option. There are 3 pen options are available. So you can adjust the size of the pen point and also choose the color. Eraser option available, delete option available. Also shapes available in 2D and 3D modes with colors. So you can first of all, we are using pen with any color. This is the pencil type. Here we are using like brush type. These are the words. You can select these words and set as a minimize or maximize also. Like I have selected this, and I am setting this to corner of the board. Likewise, I am selecting another words also, and I am setting in the right side of the board. So here is the eraser options. Where I can select and it will remove the particular portion. Here is the delete option. So once I press the delete option, the whole board will be deleted. There is some shapes also available. Like I am selecting cube with blue color, and I have draw this. So you can explain as well as with pencil marking. Like you can choose, or you can write size, like for example this is 4 cm height and 5 cm width. Like you can explain this also. In the whiteboard you have some another options also, like import export. If you want to compare some files, minimum 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want, then you can import it directly from your USB storage or from the internal storage also. So I am selecting images from my external drive. Here is the shown my USB pen drive, and here is the folder. So I am selecting multiple options from here. Like I have selected 5 images at a time. So you can adjust it as well as like this, and now you can compare these all images at a time. So I have setup is for the comparison. Now you can explain whatever you want, like comparison you are showing to your students or for your staff. So when I have this comparison made, and if you want to save it also, there is an option like you can export in the multiple formats like image, PDF. So this is the image format, and I'm saving it into my USB drive also with image format. You can change any name or you can give any name. So I'm take it as it is. So this comparison is saved in my board, like in my USB pen drive. Also there is a cloud storage option available. When you are making some file or you are editing some file, then you can add your account for Google and OneDrive also. So this file will be saved to the Google Drive also. There is most important feature also for the focus mode, like you can say spotlight. When you want to mark some picture, some words, some image which you want to explain later, this will be the available. There is a multi-touch also available, like 10-point writing experience you can use over this interactive board. So both the students can write simultaneously at the both side of the board. And there is one most important feature in this board is the palm eraser facility. There is a eraser available on the panel of the board, but you can use your palm for erasing something if you want. This is the most conventional and important facility of this board. And this palm eraser sensing both the surface of your hand, front or back. So these are the facilities of the board. Now we are turning on the next point. This is the finder, as I said in the earlier. So you can access your storage, internal storage and external storage. So internal storage 16 GB available, and external storage whichever you have inserted. So you can directly open this MS Office file like Excel, PDF, PPT or Word directly from this board. For example, we are playing PPT. So here is the PPT, and directly you can use them as well as slideshow also. So there is a pen option available to editing something, or you want to marking something. There is a color also available, like whatever color you want to mark this. So I can mark this projector as well as also you can highlight something, like I have highlighted mark projection system. So this is directly editing option available on this board, because the WPS Office are inbuilt in this board to access the all MS Office files. Likewise, you can editing any files. So we are not going into deep to understand this MS Office. Now there is a browser also available for live content if you want to read or if you want to explain. So this is the Google, and I am typing YouTube directly. So here is the YouTube, and my device is connected with the Wi-Fi. So like for example, so here we are showing some direct video on the YouTube, and if you want to mark something, then there is a pen option also available on the sidebar tool of this board. So here I have activated this option, and I am marking something for my future reference. So you can as well as highlight, you can highlight also if you want. And this is my editing image which I can save directly to the internal storage of this board. So this is the live annotation option and most important feature of this board. So this is the live YouTube video. Also you can use annotation from video from your USB. So this is the browser option. Now most important feature of this board is ScreenShare Pro application. Basically, when we connect our Android phone to any TV, that would be a one-to-one pairing like Bluetooth. If you want to connect second phone or second laptop, then you have to disconnect first one. So this will not be suitable for any conference. But this is the application with code base. So you have to just do this. This board and your device is on the same network platform, and you can use multiple devices. Like I have connect these two Android phones at a time. So likewise you can connect maximum 4 devices at a time. In this Windows, Android, Mac, iPhone, all the operating systems are suitable to connect this to this board. So if you want to present something by sitting at your chair, so you can use this application, and this is the most important and useful feature of this board. So let's move on to the next point. This is the input source changing. Here this board is also attached with OPS, like all-in-one PC you can say. So I can move or I can switch over operating system from Android to PC. That means I have inserted OPS in this board, and here is you can see Windows OS. So basically OPS is the optional part of this board, not come with the unit. If you want to purchase, then you can, otherwise you can leave it. So now my friends, let's overview the again some multiple features. This board is come with the IPS panel, 4K resolution, 16GB internal storage, 3GB RAM, palm erasing facility, ScreenShare Pro application to connect multiple OS at a time like Android, Windows, iOS, Mac, etc. And another is the 10-point multi-writing experience. The 2-person write at the both side of the board at a time. And also this board come with the 3 years on-site warranty. So you can extend this warranty up to 5 years also. So call us now for free demo. So we are providing your on-site demo. And yes, most important, this board come with the 3 size, 75 inch, 65 inch and 86 inch. So these are the available size of this particular board. Thank you.